What the actual is this shit? Honestly, it's fucking ridiculous. I mean, at least if you're going to rip off my product, have some brains and don't write my name on it. They've got Sussex Installation Team Limited on their gibberish instructions. Is the biggest piece of shit I've ever seen in my life. Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Look, you might have a hole in your van right now and you might be looking for a repair shield for your van or a security shield for your van. This is just a warning. Be careful what you buy. Not all security products are the same, even if they do look similar. These guys have actually got no idea what they're even selling. They got pictures of this bent shield like fitted on a van with a flat door. They don't even understand what they're trying to sell. It's absolutely ridiculous. So Jerbor, you've managed to basically attempt to rip off my product, although to a very poor quality, and you've also managed to try and rip off my instructions, but your AI non-intelligence has managed to basically inbreed a Transit Mark A with a Vauxhall Vivaro and a Transit Custom because you don't understand the difference. So you've got 156.5 millimeters down from the swage line is what you're telling me. We've marked that up, 156 down. That's going to put the shield like that. Now, we all know that that is absolutely never going to work in a million years. I'm going to come back to you for some technical support now on the email and just see, should I go ahead with this? Because there's something wrong with your inbred instructions and this doesn't look right. Before I make holes in this van, before I make the holes in this van in this ridiculous place, I'm just going to get some confirmation from you. I would like to check that the measurement on page 4, 156.5 millimeters down, is the correct fitting position for this shield on my transit van. Send. So you come back to me and confirm that I should proceed as per the instructions, but there's no way I'm going to do this to this van. This is a customer's van. It's going to look horrendous, but we do have a demonstration door. So just to humour you, I'm going to go with your measurements on our demonstration door. Right, 156.5. I'm going to mark that up. Just think this could be your brand new van you're drilling holes in. Well, that's the fit. So obviously that was just absolutely ridiculous. But let's just see, even if they were going to try and actually rip off my real instructions and go with the real measurement, would it even fit, or does it not fit just because you're making absolutely poor quality products that you really do not understand? Let's check it out. So at least I know what the real measurement is. My actual real measurement is 41.5 millimeters down, which is here. So is there any hope that this shield could actually fit? Not really. Look at the fitting on that. It's ridiculous. That is absolutely the most hideous looking thing I've ever seen. What an absolute terrible shield. It's got all these marks off the side, a terrible quality on the actual finish of it, just cheap. And no, your rock hard, poor quality gasket is not going to help the fit of this. The gasket is an important thing. Having a good quality gasket to ensure that your shield is watertight is really important. This gasket is not going to help because the shape of it is terrible. When I test fit a shield, I don't use the gasket for the test fit. If I'm just doing an initial test fit, I want to see how well the actual shield fits against the body of the van, against the shape of the van, without a gasket sort of masking a poor fit. So I just want to put it up without the gasket initially, just to see, does the shape match? Does the contours match? Absolutely not in this case, not in a million years. This is absolutely shocking. I'll show you how one should match, how one should fit. So I'm going to switch to our shield now. I like to do the initial test fit without a gasket, just so I can see, does the shield match the contour of the bodywork? And if you look at this, absolutely it does. So this is what our quality Sussex Installations shield looked like. Absolutely spot on. Matches the contours of the van spot on. It's got a lovely finish to it. It's a quality product. Be careful what you buy out there when you're shopping online. Not all products are the same. So this Jerbor shield, Best place for it will probably be the bin. But actually, seeing as I spent all the money on it, Jerbor, can I send this piece of junk back to you? I'm going to get on the messenger on eBay right now. So it's been about 2 weeks since I sent the message saying that now I've got holes in the wrong place in my door. What can they do about it? Because they sent me the wrong instructions, the wrong information to fit this year. I'm going to try and return this item. So, okay, it doesn't fit the shape of my door. The measurements they gave me were really far out, and it has caused me to make holes in my door in the incorrect place. Then they sent me copyright instructions from Sussex Installations product that they had tried to copy, but they had done such a poor quality job of trying to copy the Sussex Installations product that the shape is nowhere near the shape of my door. So let's see, can we get rid of this piece of junk and send this back to you, Jerbor, I guess, in China? And will you pay the postage? Hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to get in touch with Sussex Installations for your van security requirements. If you're looking for van security, you should go direct to Sussex Installations via our website, via our eBay shop or our Amazon shop, or get in touch with our office. We're real people here to help you and give you advice. You won't find Sussex Installations products resold by anyone else. If you see a product being sold by someone else that looks like Sussex Installations product, there's a good chance that it is actually a counterfeit, a rip-off product, or just someone attempting to replicate what we're doing here at Sussex Installations. Come direct to us, we're the specialists, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can keep you up to date with the latest in van security as things change. Thanks for watching.